The automobile workshop is equipped with various equipments. It is necessary to understand and identify the specific equipment required to perform a job. Welcome to the session of General Workshop Equipments. After completing the session, you will be able to identify the various equipments used in the automobile workshop. Use the equipments available in an automobile workshop. Grinder is a machine that is used to resharpen the edges of various tools, as well as to grind sharp edges of a vehicle component if necessary. Grinder is electrically powered and has a grinding blade. Once the grinder is switched on, the grinding blade starts rotating and grinds the required surface. It is advisable not to stand on the opposite side of the grinder while working, as fine metal chips or sparks can fly and cause severe injury. The bench vise is a stationary tool and is fixed on the workbench. It is generally used to hold metal components when servicing. It consists of threaded jaws which can be moved in and out by rotating the screw. These threaded jaws provide grip to the component while working. A hydraulic jack is used to lift the vehicle from the ground. It consists of a fluid reservoir, piston, and a cylinder. The piston pumps the oil from the reservoir to the cylinder to exert pressure on the vehicle in order to lift it above the ground. To lower the vehicle, one needs to open the pressure relief valve, which releases the pressure and lowers the vehicle. It is advisable to rest the vehicle on axle stands once the vehicle is lifted to prevent accidental damage to the vehicle if the hydraulic system in the jack fails. Battery equipment commonly required in an automobile workshop are battery charger, hydrometer, battery tester. A battery charger is a transformer that provides constant DC voltage to charge the battery. The hydrometer is used to check the specific gravity of the electrolyte in the battery at all times, which also indicates the state of charge of the battery. The battery tester is used to test the battery under simulated starting conditions when very heavy current is drawn. A two-post lift is used to lift the vehicle fully above the ground level. It consists of arms on which the vehicle is lifted. This system facilitates comfortable working posture, especially when working under the car. The vehicle is lifted with the help of an electric power. A pneumatic gun, along with a socket spanner, is used to loosen and tighten the wheel bolts. It is operated on compressed air. The rotational movement can also be reversed by operating a valve on the handle. Engine analyzer is an engine scanning tool used in large automobile workshops to reduce time and effort in fault finding. It consists of a scanning module that is connected to the vehicle through an onboard diagnostic port, usually located under the dashboard. The defects and faults are displayed on the monitor. The faults are displayed in the form of diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs. For proper explanation on DTCs, one needs to refer to the Model Specific Service Manual. The hydraulic press is required for many repair jobs in an automobile where steady pressure is necessary, especially when replacing bearings. It consists of a piston that is manually operated or electrically operated by a hydraulic pump. The height of the work table can be adjusted by shifting the table to various slots provided on the side members. This helps in accommodating jobs of various sizes. A spring compressor is a metal sleeve that goes over a piston to compress the rings, so that the piston can be installed easily in the engine cylinder. This is a special tool that is used at the time of an engine overhaul operation. The air compressor is electrically driven and is used to compress the air at high pressure. The compressed air is transferred to the nozzle through a long high-pressure pipe. The pressure gauge is used to measure the inflated pressure, which is generally denoted by pounds per square inch. Let us summarize what we have learned in this session.